Sheesh. Whose dirty RCF is this? It's real dirty. Yo, guys, I haven't cleaned this car in like probably 2+ months. Like 2 or 3 months. It's crazy. Like, I'm slacking, but at the same time, guys, it's been so cold here. Like, it's been cold, it's been snowy. There's still some pieces of snow over there, as you guys can see. That's actually why I didn't post last week. Last week, I think it was snowing last week. Yeah, last Saturday, yeah, we had a lot of snow. I filmed a couple TikTok. If you guys have TikTok, make sure you follow me on TikTok. It's the same thing as my IG, Turtle RCF. But after I filmed the TikTok right in front of the garage, I tried to put the car back into the garage and bro, oh, the snow was like, nope. But anyways, guys, what's going on today? I'm not too sure what we are doing, but we are doing one thing, which is we are making the RCF a bit more secure. And what I mean by that is this thing. Right? If you guys don't know what this is an Apple AirTag. Now, the purpose of this isn't to replace the security system completely, no, but it's to just make your property just a bit more safe, secure, and easy trackable. Wait, yo guys, we got a guest. Hey, what's up? Yo, what's up, cow? Moo moo. Oh, hey yo. All right, guys, I'm gonna challenge you guys. If this video gets 100 likes, yeah, 100 likes, I'll take this cat home. But anyways, guys, back to this, right? Yeah, so this is going somewhere in here. Now, the place that it's going is, I'm just playing, guys. I'm not gonna tell you where I'm putting this, but what you guys are going to know is this is gonna be somewhere in the car. I'm gonna try to figure out a really complex, really crazy place to put this somewhere in the car. Oh my gosh, I don't see Cow anymore. Oh my gosh, are you under the car? No, Cow, are you under here? Hope not. All right, you guys already know co-start for the win. I kind of feel bad for the person behind me. Yo, she's just parked. She's an elderly, but yo, she's about to hear this V8 scream right now. I might just inspire her to switch to a V8. You guys feel me? Ooh. Yo, that was what the? Yo, damn, that was freaking loud. What the? I think I'll put this right here. Perfect spot. What do you guys think? I don't think anyone's going to find it up here, like at all. So, all right, guys, as you guys can see, I have a new camera angle. And if you've been on TikTok, you could probably guess where I got this angle from. But anyways, I just remember we do have to hit the store. Yo, it's cold. Yeah, guys, I missed the springtime. Yo, I missed the summertime. I feel like in those times I could do a lot more things. You can't park there. I actually parked way further than the other time I was there. Hopefully no one really comes and parks right next to me, which still might happen because that's what happened the other time. But yeah, I think over here is a pretty good, yeah. I'm just alone here. Now, if someone does come and park here, then at that point, I won't even know what to say at that point. But yo, guys, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go in, right? I'm gonna come out and there's gonna be a car parked right next to me. Get into cars, they said. It'll be fun, they said. But no one ever talks about the amount I have to walk in order to make sure people do not scratch up my car. All right, it's still good though, still good. This is kind of sad. When I'm here on my own, I don't know where anything is, but when I'm here and my girl is there, yo, I feel like she has a map in her head, right? Like, I'm here for 2 items. It might take me maybe like 15 minutes to even find those 2 items right now. It's crazy. Grab this. Arm and Hammer, feel me? Guys, it's been like 10 minutes. I can't find the sour cream. At least I got the toothpaste. I'm just playing, just found it right here. Hey. I'm looking at the prices of these eggs and yo, I'm about to turn vegan because of this. All right, guys, we just got the package and I gotta say, right, parking your car super far when it's super cold does not go well together. But it's a good thing that I am kind of in a warm outfit, you feel me? So like, it's not that bad. There's no one parked right next to me. There's no one, but we do have the package though. Surprisingly, are we out? There's no one here. And it is the next day, guys, and guess what? It is 43 degrees. You guys know what that means? It means that we outside. Sort of. All right, guys, on a serious note though, you see all of this? I got no hairline now, so I'm gonna use this weather as an opportunity to go and grab myself a haircut. I might cheat on my barber once again though. But anyways, guys, you guys know how we gonna do that. POV style. I'm gonna just stop talking and right into it. Nah. Yo, I'm gonna say this. The RCF, yo, it fucks with the cold air. Bro, it should just pull so hard, it's insane. We hear some traffic, of course. Yo guys, this thing sounds so good. Oh my gosh. So we just arrived to the location. I'm in the unsafe part of town. Well, it's kinda. And we parked the RCF in a really convenient spot. You guys feel me? A real convenient spot. Shit, that shit looks kind of fire at this angle. Hold on. Anyways, guys, it's time to fix up my hair. Well, specifically my hairline. Now, it is a look. I look like this because he had my hair up in a scrunchie to, like, you know, kind of like tie it up and cut it. So yeah, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I like it. But anyways, guys, it's time for us to hit the road once again, because we do have to, you know, head back home now. Man, there's never enough space for 500 horsepower, I swear. I never have space for this shit. Alright guys, update. It's a scat behind me. I'm about to show him a true V8. This car is pulling, yo. I'm curious to see if he wants a 50 row or something. I don't know. Sheesh.